Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to power off or switch off Google Pixel 6a. In first method, long press the power button on your Pixel 6a. You can see the power menu. Now tap on a power off to power off or switch off your Pixel 6a device. In second method, swipe down the notification panel twice. At the bottom right corner, you can see the power button. Tap on a power button. Again, you can see the power menu. Tap on a power off to turn off or switch off your Pixel 6a device. In third method, you can use your Google Assistant to power off or turn off your Pixel devices. Just launch the Google Assistant to say Hey Google or OK Google and say turn off the phone. Here we tap on a Google Assistant. You can see can't start when another app. We screen recording app, so we can't access Google Assistant. So in your device, just launch the Google Assistant and say turn off the phone, power off phone to switch off your Pixel 6a device. That's it. If you like it, share it.